guys. We are just a few months away from our favorite season,
Halloween.
And for all you subscribers out there who've been with us from early on, you know that we review props and spooky village pieces and all kind of stuff Halloween. So we're pretty excited about getting something, and we got something new in the mail. Show them what it was, Bobby.
It is Pennywise from the movie It. This will really look good in our spooky village.
It's going to look awesome in that carnival. Now, it's real rare that you get a license piece. I mean, like a Pennywise, or never seen a Michael Myers or anything for these villages. So we wanted to make you guys aware of this in case you wanted to pick it up. So we're about ready to head in and unbox this. So are you ready, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll.
Okay, let's check this out. There's the box. Pennywise and the SS Georgie from Department 56. There's your price. $37.50. Kind of expensive for something this small, but Department 56 stuff is pretty high. So let's unbox it. Taped up pretty decent. Let's just cut across here. Looks like right there should be good enough. There we go. As you can see, each piece individually wrapped in there. Let's start off with Pennywise. Now this is Pennywise from the new It. The old It was Tim Curry. So this is from the new one. There he is. And we have a little sewer scene with the SS Georgie.
John and I were talking, and we said we wish Department 56 would make the fun house from that movie, and it would really go good in our carnival.
Yeah, so if Department 56 is listening, bring out the fun house so we can put that into our carnival. And this would also look good in any kind of setup with clowns or not, but in a carnival, this is going to look awesome. So let's zoom in on this in a second and see how detailed it's going to look. Let's check out what this looks like up close. Pretty detailed. Look at the face. You see the teeth, the eyes. And one thing I will say, it has like a little scuff mark on the forehead. Now we've noticed on eBay also that some of the ones they're showing on there have the same thing and even worse. So I'm guessing when they put it in the package, they kind of rubbed up against the styrofoam. And I can fix that. But if you're going to buy one of these in a store, maybe check that out first. There's the bottom of it. 2021. That's what I would do. I would look at the store and open the box up first and make sure yours doesn't have that. But don't let that stop you from getting it, because that can be fixed real easy. The detail on that, guys. Here's the base of it. Some leaves. Really nice. Now let's check out the SS Georgie. Look at that. You can even see that written on there. The hands coming out of the sewer. Be cool if you could have seen him inside there, but still nicely done. One last look. What a great job they did. Great job, Department 56. Just maybe be careful when you're putting them in the box to not rub the paint off on all of them. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed our first Halloween review of the 2021 season. The Department 56 Pennywise and SS Georgie.
Yes, John and I think this piece is going to go pretty quick, so if you want one, try to find it in a store or order it, because we think it's going to be a hot piece this year.
Yeah, because a lot of this Department 56 stuff goes up in price, and you don't want to end up paying $100 right now when you can pay $37.50. And also, make sure you guys subscribe. It's free, and it really helps us out.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, so until we meet again,
J&B
have left the building.